Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Ford Fusion and I will show you the blower motor, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Ford Fusions made from 2010 all the way up to 2012. Now, if the blower motor is not working on your vehicle, so that means that the fan will not work at all at any speed. If for some reason the fan speed works only on one specific speed, for example number 4, then most likely you are having problems with the blower motor resistor and that has to be replaced. But if blower motor doesn't work at all, then you either have a problem with the blower motor itself or you have just the blown fuse or the relay. So the first thing and the easiest thing to check are the fuses, and then if the fuses are good, then you'll have to test the blower motor itself and replace it if necessary. Both the blower motor fuse and relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. Very easy accessible, it's right here. Now to lift the cover, there is a black tab on the left side. You want to press it and lift up. On the back side of the cover there is also a small fuse diagram. Blower motor fuse, it's a fuse number 35, which is a 40 amp fuse located right here, and blower motor relay is relay number 52 in the upper right corner. Now the best way to test this relay again is using multimeter, or other option you can just try to replace it with any other of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.